Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est mardi le 16 octobre and I hope you had a wonderful 3-day weekend. I know I did. So, weekly warm-ups, I added a new page and I put all the warm-ups on this page, so we're going to go to weekly warm-ups. Alright, then you notice for your class we have them listed here, so I'm going to pull up the warm-ups for today, for this week. And today's warm-up was write the following times in word form 2 different ways. Now some of them could have had more than 2, but I just wanted you to focus on the 2 ways that you could write each of these times. Like this one. For this time here, il est 9h45 or il est 10h moins quart. So for this one it would be il est 14h. Hopla. 15. Okay. Or il est 2h15 de l'après-midi. Okay. And you were to do that for all of them. Another one could have been il est 2h15 de l'après-midi. Here you could have written il est 12h or il est midi or il est minuit because we're not sure if this is 12 midnight or 12 noon. Here would have been il est 17h50 or il est 5h50 or il est 6h moins 10, 10 minutes to 6. This one, il est 13h35 or il est 1h35 de l'après-midi. This one could have been il est 5h50 du soir or 6h moins 10 du soir. And this one would have been 1h35 de l'après-midi. This one, il est 3h30, il est 3h30, or il est 15h30, because we don't know if this could be afternoon, it could be morning. We just don't know. Il est 3h30 du matin, even. And then we wrote a sentence telling the time at that moment. So that's what we did for our warm-up. Okay, next, we did a gallery walk. Similar to the first gallery walk we did, I had 17 pictures of clocks all around the room, and then I gave them a list of sentences, and they had to match the sentences with the clocks, and of course 2 were not used. So hang on a second. Okay, so in the gallery walk, and I just want to show you where it is located. If you look here, right here, gallery walk 2, telling time. So here is the worksheet. These are all of the sentences in word form about the time, and then you had to go around and find the picture with the number and write the number of the picture that matched the time. And there were 2 sentences that did not have matching pictures. So we did that. Then we went ahead and finished the girls' schedules, my cousin's schedule. So this was the class schedule of my cousins. We had already done Mélissandre's emploi du temps, and now we were just finishing up the questions for Salomé's emploi du temps. So if we go back and look at the questions, let's see, these were the questions. Elle a combien d'heures d'espagnol par semaine? How many hours of Spanish did she have per week? Elle a combien d'heures de maths par jour? How many hours of math did she have per day? Elle a art plastique quel jour? Which day did she have art? Elle a sport quel jour? Which days did she have sports? Which actually she had PE 2 days. And which days were they? Elle a combien d'heures de musique par semaine? How many hours of music did she have per week? So if we look, alright, the first question was, elle a combien d'heures d'espagnol par semaine? So if we look, d'espagnol, we have, and we didn't go exact time. We just like we did with class periods, we just go with class periods. So, une 2, 3. So we determined that she had 3 hours of Spanish. So when we answered the question in a complete sentence, it's not this, we would say, Elle a 3 heures d'espagnol par semaine, to make it a complete sentence. Then, elle a combien d'heures de maths par jour? How many hours of math did she have per day? Okay, so let's see. Maths. All right, so 1 heure, 1 heure, 1 heure. So she basically had 1 hour of math per day, except for Friday she didn't have math. So we said, elle a 1 heure de maths par jour. Then we looked at the next question. Elle a art plastique quel jour? So we looked to see which day she had art plastique, which happened to be mardi. So we wrote, elle a art plastique mardi. Hop là. All right. Next question. Elle a sport quel jour? Si on regarde, on voit sport le lundi et sport le mardi. Alors, on écrit, elle a sport le lundi et le mardi. Elle a combien d'heures de musique par semaine? Si on compte, musique, attends. Une heure de musique. Ben, c'est tout. 1 heure de musique par semaine. Alors, elle a 1 heure de musique par semaine. Et voilà. So that's what we did as far as filling out the rest of my cousin's school schedule. Okay, c'est tout. Bon après-midi. Au revoir.